Throughout history, sound has been a force of transformation, healing, and enlightenment. Hidden within sacred melodies lies a lost secret, one that was rediscovered in the 1970s by Dr. Joseph Puleo. This secret is the Solfeggio Frequencies. An ancient scale, rooted in divine mathematics, encoded with the powerful resonance of the numbers 3, 6, and 9. These tones are believed to harmonize the body, mind, and spirit in ways modern science is only beginning to understand. But what are these frequencies? Where did they come from? And how can they influence your reality? Join us on this journey to uncover the truth behind the Solfeggio Frequencies, an ancient key to vibrational healing. The origins of the Solfeggio Frequencies trace back thousands of years. They were embedded in sacred chants, sung in harmony with the divine. The Gregorian monks of the medieval era understood their power, using these frequencies to elevate consciousness and connect with higher realms. Yet, over time, these tones vanished from mainstream music. Some believe their disappearance was intentional, a suppression of vibrational healing knowledge. It wasn't until the 1970s that Dr. Joseph Puleo, a physician and researcher, rediscovered this lost scale. Through numerological decryption of the Bible, he uncovered a repeating pattern based on the sacred numbers 3, 6, and 9, a sequence famously praised by Nikola Tesla as the key to understanding the universe. This led Puleo to identify 6 fundamental frequencies, each with its own unique properties. Each frequency within the Solfeggio scale carries a specific resonance that interacts with the human body on a cellular level. Modern research suggests that sound frequencies influence brainwaves, DNA repair, and even emotional states. Let's explore these 6 original frequencies and their effects. The first, 396 Hz, is the frequency of liberation. It is said to dissolve fear, remove subconscious guilt, and free the mind from negative thought patterns. Those who listen to this tone report feeling lighter, more optimistic, as if shedding emotional burdens. Next, 417 Hz, the frequency of change. This tone is believed to erase traumatic experiences and assist in breaking destructive cycles. Some use it for personal transformation, to reset energy fields and invite new beginnings. 528 Hz, often called the miracle tone, is one of the most studied frequencies. Scientists have found that this vibration can repair DNA, enhance cellular function, and promote overall healing. It is also deeply associated with the frequency of love, opening the heart and fostering profound connections. Moving to 639 Hz, a frequency of unity and harmony. This tone is linked to strengthening relationships, improving communication, and creating balance between mind and spirit. It resonates with the heart chakra, encouraging compassion and understanding. 741 Hz is the detoxification frequency. Used for cleansing the body, it is believed to clear electromagnetic radiation, support healthy immune function, and enhance intuition. This frequency is favored by those seeking purification, both physically and energetically. And finally, 852 Hz, the frequency of awakening. Known for its ability to activate intuition and expand consciousness, this tone aligns with the third eye, facilitating deeper spiritual insight and awareness. But is there scientific evidence to support these claims? While traditional medicine has been slow to acknowledge vibrational healing, modern studies reveal a fascinating connection between sound and biology. Researchers in quantum physics suggest that at a fundamental level, everything is vibration. Our bodies, our thoughts, even our DNA resonate at specific frequencies. Studies from institutions like the National Institutes of Health and independent research labs have shown that frequencies such as 528 Hz have measurable effects on water molecules and DNA structures. Dr. Glen Rein's research demonstrated that exposure to this tone increased DNA repair rates, supporting the idea that sound can influence our biology at a molecular level. Meanwhile, neuroscientists studying brainwave entrainment have observed that solfeggio frequencies can alter brain activity, inducing states of deep relaxation, heightened focus, or even meditative transcendence. The implications of this are profound, suggesting that sound is not just an auditory experience but a tool for healing and transformation. In the modern world, sound therapy is experiencing a resurgence. Meditation practitioners, holistic healers, and even mainstream wellness industries are incorporating solfeggio frequencies into their practice. Sound baths, binaural beats, and vibrational therapy are no longer fringe concepts. They are becoming recognized as valid methods for mental and physical well-being. As we continue to explore the science of sound, the question remains: if frequencies have the power to heal, what else might they unlock? Could sound hold the key to longevity, consciousness expansion, or even communication beyond the physical realm? The answers may lie within the very vibrations that surround us every day. The Solfeggio Frequencies, ancient, powerful, and deeply connected to the universe. Whether you believe in their transformative potential or remain skeptical, one thing is certain: sound is far more than we perceive. And perhaps, within these sacred tones, lies the blueprint to unlocking human potential. Thank you for joining us on this journey into vibrational healing. If you found this documentary insightful, let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Sound Relaxation for more explorations into the mysteries of sound, and may harmony guide your path.